Hi guys, Mr. Brian here. Once again, I hope everybody had a wonderful spring break. I know it's kind of rough not being able to go anywhere, but um, we made the best of it over here. Me and my wife, we ate a lot of good food, did some grilling, did some yard work, things like that around the house, just trying to stay busy and keep our minds engaged. Um, just so you know, Millie's doing okay. She's lost a lot of feathers recently. She's doing this thing called molting, which is every year she loses a bunch of her feathers and they all grow back. So she's in quite the mood these days. But anyways, this is a brand new week of digital learning for biology and science and engineering. So I just want to give you a quick rundown of your first three assignments. They're all not due until Friday, so don't panic, don't freak out when you see these. So I'm going to go ahead and try and present my screen. All right, I think it's working. So here is your Google Classroom page. Once again, keep in mind, I posted these assignments for all the classes. So if you had any for A day and B day, just choose one of the days and complete the assignments only once. Don't complete these assignments twice, even though they're posted for both classes. I know that can get a bit confusing. So just pick, say if you're in first period, pick first period, do those assignments. Or let's say you are in seventh period, do those assignments. Don't do A day and B day. Just pick one. All right. So your first assignment is a discussion question. So please click on the video first, watch the video. That way you know what to talk about in your discussion. It says, please watch the following video from your favorite Amoeba sisters and answer the following question. What are the major differences between primary and secondary succession? So you'll answer that. Now, if you need sentence starters, copy and paste, use these right here. All right, if you need some help getting started, please make sure that you give me a good answer, complete sentences. Don't just put a one-word answer. All right. So use those sentence starters if you need. Next, we'll go back to the main class page. Here is your second assignment. It's a Nearpod, all right? Please, 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 this is very important. Use your name for real credit. It's hard to grade your Nearpod if you are named, Swaggy McSwagpants, all right? So once again, click on the Nearpod, work your way through it. Should be very easy and painless to get through. Last, our assignment here. This one's going to take a little bit of time, but it's not too bad. It says, first, please read over the BioNinja link before starting the assignment. So right here where it says BioNinja, read through this first. You can go back to it to help you answer your questions. Then use the attached Google Doc right here. Type your answers to the questions on the population ecology activity. So on this Google Doc, after you look at the link, you'll type your answers in right here. Okay? So you'll type them in right here. Please don't type in random gibberish, once again. If you want to get rid of the lines and then type, you can. If that makes you feel better. But also you can just type right on the line. And that's how you'll answer your questions. Once you're finished with this, there should be a turn-in button somewhere up here, the upper right hand. So please make sure that you turn in your assignment. All right. Just a couple other quick reminders. Please make sure you're checking your email. So go up to your waffle, click on Gmail. All right. You'll have lots of emails from your teachers and communication that way. Also, you can send your email. You can email me from your Gmail right here if you have any questions. Additionally, there was a link sent out to you in this Gmail for chat. Once again, nobody's chatting. I don't know if you're having technology problems or you just don't want to feel like chatting, but I added everybody on chat in my classes. So that invite was sent to your Gmail, which is right here. Let's say for some reason you don't want to use chat, that's fine. I've posted a discussion board that's not a grade. If you have any questions or anything, you can add comments. If you just want to tell me how you're doing or say hi to a classmate, this is kind of just a place to relax, kick your feet back, and ask questions, talk to each other if you need to. All right, so you can use that if you don't want to use Google Chat, which seems like that's the common trend. Let's stop presenting for a second. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. So you have 3 assignments. I may add a quiz later on in the week, but for now, just focus on your 3 assignments. They're all due on Friday, so you have plenty of time for them. Maybe just try to do 1 a day. They should not take more than maybe 20, 30 minutes at the most. So that's a pretty good goal for you to have. Once again, I hope y'all are all doing great, surviving the quarantine. I know that I'm like super bored and getting kind of stir crazy. But if you have any problems, use that Gmail, email me, post on the Google chat, and I'm here to help you out. As always, let's go have a failed attempt to see Millie. She's very sleepy these days. So she's losing all of her feathers. Hey, Millie. Pretty bird. Who's your pretty bird? Look at all these feathers she's losing. It's kind of disgusting. But she's losing her feathers, which is normal. She does it once a year. And she's going to grow them back and be all shiny and fluffy again. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any problems or questions, I'm here for you. But other than that, this is Mr. Brian signing off. And good luck, stay positive, and hope to see y'all soon. Bye-bye.